Hi guys, so how to fix Instagram login problem? This is what I'm gonna show you in this video. So all what you wanna do guys first is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you directly into this page. Now click here on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on force stop right here, and then click on the data usage here and disable all those options and enable them again. Go back and then click on the power usage details. When you click on the power usage details, you will find many options here. Go to the power consumption alert and then enable it, and then click down here on this force stop. Now you have to go back into the settings of your phone, open the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and wait 5 seconds and then disable it again. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope this video was helpful.